Hi friends, this is Akshata here. Today I'll be showing you how to make some Bhendi Bhaji or Okra. For the ingredients, I've taken about 400 grams of Bhendi or Okra. In my description box below, I will show you how to prepare and cut this Bhendi. It has to be extremely dry if you want to make a nice crispy Bhendi Bhaji. Then another important ingredient is amsul. We need to use at least about 4 to 5 of these amsuls. Then you require some red chili powder, some asafoetida or hing, some jeera or cumin, some mori, rye or mustard, and some haldi powder. About 1 teaspoon of each of these spices. Then we require oil for cooking and some salt. So let's get started cooking our delicious Bhendi Bhaji. Now here I have my pan heating. I'll pour in some oil. About 2 tablespoons of oil. Now once our oil is hot, we will start adding our spices. We will first start with 1 teaspoon of mustard or mori. Once this starts to splutter, we will add in our cumin seeds or jeera. Next goes in our asafoetida or hing and about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Next will go in our amsul. What this does is it prevents the okra or the bhendi from being very sticky and it separates it into a nice crispy vegetable. So once we have put in our amsul, I will be putting in our very finely cut okra or bhendi. Now what you have to do is first you have to wash your bhendi very nicely. After that, pat it completely dry and then cut it very fine. Also when you're cutting, please check if there is any kind of dirt, or sometimes there are even some vegetable worms in the okra or the bhendi. So first you cut off the tips of the bhendi and check whether it's clean. Especially in the monsoons, you get a lot of this vegetable worms in your okra. So please check. Now mix everything up and we are going to cook this vegetable in an open pot. No, we don't have to cover this vegetable. This will take about a total of 10 minutes to get nice and crispy, and we have to keep stirring in the middle. Now it's been about 2 minutes since our bhendi is frying. Again, just give it a good mix and you will start noticing that it has some browning. So just keep mixing it every 2 minutes till everything is evenly coated. It's now been about 6 minutes since I have been frying this okra. Now you can see it has become more on the brownish side, a dark green color and a brown. Now we will start adding our seasoning. First goes in some salt according to taste. Give it a good mix. And this has to be done on a medium flame because we have to fry our bhendi very well. Then goes in some red chili powder, the regular chili powder, which is a little on the spicy side. And at this point, I also like to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of, and I like to use 1 teaspoon of coriander powder or dhania powder. And you have to give all of this a good mix. And in another 2 minutes we can switch our gas off as our bhendi is ready. As you can see, it's become a nice crispy and spicy vegetable. This can be eaten very well with some hot rotis, or it goes very well with some dal fry and some hot steamed rice. So I hope you like this recipe. Please leave a comment in the comment box below if you did like it. Please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. This is Akshata saying goodbye until our next recipe. Take care.